Some of us here may be asking how Kalahi Seeds community-driven development contributed in improving access of marginalized communities in the region to basic services. Just to give a brief historical context, the program was actually pilot tested in 2003, and that's 20 years ago, infusing participatory, transparent, and accountable mechanisms in addressing development challenges in selected municipalities with higher poverty incidence. In Western Visayas region, it was initially piloted in Concepcion Town in 2003 and expanded in over 100 local government units with support from development partners such as the World Bank, the Asian Development Bank, the Millennium Challenge Corporation of the U.S. government, ACIP, or the Agencia Española de la Cooperación Internacional, the Japan Social Development Fund, and the Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade of Australian government, with an aggregate amount grant support of 9.3 billion pesos in Visayas and Western Visayas alone to finance various community projects such as daycare centers or child development centers, health stations, school buildings, water systems, drainage systems, farm-to-market roads, seawall, slope protection, other community-led projects. Impact studies have shown that CDD was found effective in addressing locally identified priorities, bringing significant improvement in communities' access to basic services and improving people's quality of life. Within 2 decades of implementing Kalahi Seeds, it has gained recognition and affirmation for its participatory, transparent, and empowering processes, thereby enabling effective collaboration of communities and local officials in responding to their development issues and concerns. This knowledge exchange forum hopes to generate support and efforts of the SWD in advocating the institutionalization of Kalahi Seeds CDD as a national strategy for efficient service delivery that is anchored on the core objectives of the Philippine Development Plan, as well as with our commitments to meet key indicators of the Sustainable Development Goals. We look forward for your support and help in championing CDD as vehicle for achieving poverty-free communities in the coming years. Again, thank you very much and magandang umaga po ulit